if you've been living with back pain, the kind that shoots like electricity when you bend, the kind that makes getting out of bed a daily battle, the kind that steals your energy, your mood, and sometimes even your sleep, then stop scrolling, because in the next few minutes you're going to discover simple, science-backed movements that can help your body heal faster than you ever thought possible. These aren't heavy workouts, no gym, no equipment, just gentle, powerful recovery exercises that real people, just like you, use to reduce pain, rebuild strength, and get back to life. But before we start, I want you to imagine something. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the pain didn't control your day anymore. And today I'm going to guide you through the first steps of that journey. So stay with me till the end. Every second matters. Because by the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly what to do, what not to do, and how to activate natural healing inside your body. Let's begin. The truth about back injuries. Back injuries don't just hurt your back, they hurt your lifestyle. You stop walking as much, you avoid chores, you stop exercising, you sleep poorly, you lose confidence. Every movement feels scary. Most people are told to rest, but rest alone often makes the pain worse. Because your muscles tighten, your spine gets stiff, your body weakens. Your back is designed to heal. Your spine is incredibly strong. Your muscles want to protect you. Your body wants to recover if you give it the right movements, and that's what we're doing today. Why these exercises work, trust building section. These recovery movements help you release pressure from your spine, relax tight muscles, improve blood flow to injured areas, activate deep core stabilizers, rebuild mobility, reduce inflammation naturally. You don't need extreme workouts, you just need controlled, gentle, targeted movement. But listen carefully. Doing random exercises can make things worse. Doing the right ones can change everything. So let's ease into them step by step. Exercise 1, the gentle pelvic reset, explained lightly. This is one of the safest and most effective recovery movements for back injuries. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Place your hands on your stomach. Inhale slowly, feel your belly rise. Exhale, gently flatten your lower back into the floor. You're not working out. You're reactivating deep core muscles that protect your spine, muscles that turn off when you're injured. Do this for 10 slow breaths. You'll feel your body calming, your lower back releasing, your muscles switching from panic mode to healing mode. Exercise 2, supported knee drops, pain-free mobility. Stay lying down. Arms out to your sides. Slowly drop your knees to the right. Stop before pain. Bring them back up, then drop them to the left. You're gently teaching your spine how to move again, safely, without fear. This exercise is extremely powerful after injuries because it lubricates stiff joints, reduces tension, improves mobility, relaxes the lower back. Take your time, move slowly, you're healing, not racing. Right now, you might feel a little relief. Or maybe you feel nervous, wondering if this can really help. Your back pain isn't your fault. You didn't choose it. You didn't deserve it. But you do deserve to feel better again. And when you finish this full routine, not just today, but consistently, your body will respond. It has to respond. That's how biology works. Your back wants to heal. Today, you're giving it permission. Exercise 3, cat-cow for spinal healing. Get on your hands and knees, round your back slowly, like a stretching cat. Then drop your belly gently, lifting your chest forward. This restores your natural spinal rhythm. It helps your discs, muscles, joints, ligaments. All move together safely. Take it slow. Breathe deeply. Your spine loves this movement. The big secret of recovery, awareness moment. Your back pain doesn't come from just the injury. It also comes from weak stabilizer muscles, tight hamstrings, stiff hips, poor posture, overworked lower back muscles. You can't fix these with rest. You fix them with activation and mobility. That's what we're doing next. Exercise 4. Deep core activation, most important. Lie on your back again, knees bent. But this time, raise one foot off the floor, then the other, making a 90-degree angle. This position forces your core to stabilize, without hurting your back. Now, tap your right foot to the floor. Lift it back up, then tap your left foot. This movement is deceptively powerful. It stabilizes the spine from the inside, something most people with back injuries desperately need. Do this slowly. Controlled is the key. Your back will thank you. Lift your hips gently off the ground, squeezing your glutes. This exercise is gold for recovery because it strengthens your glutes, takes pressure off your lower back, rebalances your hips, improves your walking posture, reduces pain flare-ups. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Repeat 10 times. This movement alone can transform your recovery. The reason back pain feels endless is because it becomes emotional pain too. You start fearing movement. You avoid activities. You feel older than you are, but right now you are taking control. You are choosing recovery. You are rebuilding strength. You are not broken. You are healing. Exercise 6. Hip flexor release. Tight hip flexors pull your spine forward, increasing pain. This stretch corrects that. Kneel on one knee. Gently shift forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Hold. Breathe. Feel your spine open up. Most people skip this, but it's one of the most important recovery steps. Exercise 7. Seated forward reach. Safest hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor, legs out, back straight. Reach forward to your shins, not your toes. You're not trying to fold in half. You're trying to release tension in the hamstrings, which are directly connected to your lower back. When these relax, your pain decreases. Recovery. Exercise. The wall press reset. Stand against a wall. Press your lower back gently into it. Hold for 10 seconds. Relax. Repeat. This teaches your body proper alignment. Something pain often destroys. You're teaching your spine. This is the position where I am safe. You just completed one of the most powerful beginner-friendly recovery routines for back injuries. You didn't quit. You didn't let your pain stop you. You moved. You breathed. You healed. And every time you do this routine, your body will grow stronger, your pain will shrink, and your confidence will return. Healing is not luck. Healing is consistency. And today, you proved you have what it takes. If you want more routines that reduce pain, fix posture, rebuild strength, and help you live pain-free, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. Your journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning, one movement at a time.